Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share 2 vegetarian food recipes that are not only delicious, but can also help you in your weight loss journey. Recipe 1. Lentil Soup. Our first recipe is a lentil soup that is packed with nutrients and can keep you feeling full for a long time. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup of lentils, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of cumin, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions: rinse and drain the lentils. In a pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and garlic and sauté until translucent. Add the chopped carrots and celery and cook for 5-7 minutes until softened. Add the lentils, vegetable broth, cumin, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil and then reduce heat to a simmer. Let the soup cook for 25-30 minutes until the lentils are tender. Serve hot and enjoy. This lentil soup is rich in protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients that can help in weight loss. Plus, it's easy to make and can be stored in the fridge for a quick meal anytime. Recipe 2. Zucchini Noodles with Avocado Pesto. Our second recipe is a low-carb and gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized zucchinis, 1 ripe avocado, 1 garlic clove, 1 4 cup of pine nuts, 1 4 cup of fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions: spiralize the zucchinis into noodles and set aside. In a food processor, blend the avocado, garlic, pine nuts, basil leaves, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until smooth. In a pan, sauté the zucchini noodles for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add the avocado pesto and toss the noodles until coated. Serve hot and enjoy. This zucchini noodle dish is low in calories, high in fiber, and contains healthy fats from the avocado and pine nuts. It's a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional pasta that can help you in your weight loss journey. And there you have it. 2 vegetarian food recipes that are delicious, healthy, and can help you in your weight loss journey. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try out any of these recipes, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy food ideas. Thanks for watching.